Hi friends, so if you're planning your FRM Part 1's preparation, then you must be wondering about which is the best question bank and study notes for FRM Part 1's preparation. In this video, I will tell you why Falcon's question bank and study notes are the best question bank for your FRM preparation. And specifically, if you are going with the self-study preparation, then definitely these study notes and question bank will add value in your preparation. Also, it will make your preparation journey easier and in more structured manner. Now, this question bank and the study notes are part of FRM Part 1 essential course of Falcon Edufin. And in this essential course, you are not just getting the study notes and question bank. You will get study notes, which are regular study notes for your preparation. Then you will also get the revision notes. So whole syllabus is concised or compressed in 100 pages. Then you will get question bank, which is exam level, question bank, which is concept level. Then you will get quizzes and mock test. So quizzes are topic-wise quizzes, which takes your concept level preparation. Then we have the mock test. So mock tests are section-wise mock test. So one mock test. These mock tests are exam level. So mock test on say 5-6 chapter, which I will show you here. Then we have subject-wise mock test, and we also have the full round of mock test, and we also have the special theory mock test also. So here, let's start with the first, the content of this package. And if you want to buy this essential course, I will provide you a link in the description. Please use that link only to enroll for this course and not the link which is visible or available here. Okay, it will be like it is difficult. Okay, just use the link in the description. Now let's see the first. We have study notes here. So I just downloaded study notes for you so that I can show you study notes here. You can also download it from here. So you can see like there is a download option as well as a preview option. Simply click on the preview and you will get the preview of these notes. Sometimes preview takes some time to load and it is still loading. Yeah, okay. Now we have the preview. Okay, just see here. So, okay, so you can simply download it, and this is the downloaded notes in the PDF format. Now, see here why these study notes are the best study notes for FRM Part 1's preparation. So, instead of simply reducing the size of GAPS material, what I did while designing these study notes, I simply thought who are my audience, and I designed these study notes specifically for the students who are doing self-study. So definitely these study notes are useful if you're taking classes from me, but these study notes are very useful if you are going with this self-study or if you are planning to go with this self-study and you don't have any plan to take video classes. So in this study notes, what I did, I used the language which is understandable for self-study students. I provided multiple alternatives to solve a particular question or illustration, and which is from the exams perspective, which is not even available or provided in the GAPS notes. So here I will give you the example. So for example, just see in the chapter, I'll just take one specific chapter where it is easily understandable. And the chapter is hedging. Just a second. Okay, now see the hedging chapter. So in the hedging part, first I explained hedging. And in the hedging part, I explained how hedging works by taking the case by case. So case 1, case 2, case 3, what happens with the each case, and this will drastically improve your conceptual clarity about the hedging. And right now we are not at the calculation of hedging. We are just seeing how hedging works. Then we have hedging calculation. And here in the hedging calculation, you can see the first, it is the basic structure of hedging, like how to calculate the hedge ratio, then how to calculate the number of contracts to take long or short. And then here you can see this whole setup. So here we have this illustration. And in this illustration, you will see first the particulars part, then we have the S&P index futures, Nifty futures, and Bank Nifty futures. So we are seeing the same thing, same concept with 3 different scenarios. And in these 3 different scenarios, here you will see there is a negative correlation. There is, again, here how to calculate the correlation using the negative correlation or the hedge ratio. And one for the S&P futures, then for the Nifty futures, and so on. So when you have this type of setup where you are provided with the multiple alternatives, you will be able to build conceptual clarity and you will have the very robust concepts here. Similar thing is done with almost like all the important illustrations where students face confusion in the examination. So these type of efforts are taken while designing these books. You can similarly see in case of even like the calculation part, the forward future pricing calculation. Here again, the cost of carry, the arbitrage in futures. Just a second, I'll just show you. Okay, now see, this is about the forward future calculation, the forward calculation. In the forward calculation, here we have the concept which is storage cost. Now in storage cost, if you check simple like any book, you will see this is storage cost, this is the formula and how to apply this formula. Here, what I did, how to do the calculation when the storage cost is paid in advance, how to do the calculation if the storage cost is paid in middle, and how to do the calculation if the storage cost is paid at the end of the contract. And these three variations are provided in these notes. And similar thing is done for almost every important illustration or where this possibility is there. So this is about the study notes. Now we will jump on to our course. Then we have a workbook. So workbook is my experimental product where I designed workbook, and in my opinion, workbooks are best for the practice. Here I will just show you how workbook works. So let's see the hypothesis testing chapter in the workbook. Now here in the workbook, instead of questions, main concept or the core concepts are designed in the task format. So here you have first in the hypothesis testing chapter. So here you have first to write hypothesis statement. So you are provided with the case 1, case 2, case 3. Now here, instead of providing you the option, now see what happens when you are provided with the option, you are tend to tick one of the 4 options. But when you don't have any options provided and you have to write by your own, definitely you will put more effort, you will think more on the concept, and definitely this will increase your conceptual clarity. Now see here. So first write hypothesis statement, then general understanding of the hypothesis testing process. Then we have task number 3, which is on hypothesis testing complete question. So here you are provided with the data and then you have to solve this question step by step. Here you can see first A, set up hypothesis testing statement, then calculate T statistics. Which test should be used, Z or T? And here you will think on this. Then you have to see like you have to use or do the hypothesis testing calculation using the confidence intervals. Then for sake of understanding, you have to also do it by the alternate method. Then you have to go with the finally giving you the final analysis or the conclusion of the hypothesis testing. Then here you have next hypothesis testing decision making. Now this task specifically focuses only on decision making and nothing else. So you are provided the T stat, Z critical, and you have to compare. So based on P value, based on test statistics and the critical values and so on. Then you are provided with the specify the type of error. Again, the case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4, and write it in your own language. And just a second, yeah, write it in your own language. You have to write what is the power of the test and the next. So this is the about the workbook. And then we have the Fastrack notes. There is some problem with the this structure, so I'm unable to load the preview, but definitely you can download these Fastrack notes. Now let's see the section on topic wise quizzes and mock test. Now here, this is our first section. Now see, this is the section on section 1, basic statistics related topics. Section is on quants, book 2. Now here we have fundamentals of probability, random variables, and so on. And here you can see the quizzes, reading 1 probability. So if you click on quiz, it will open quiz, and quizzes are concept level, not exam level. So what is the purpose of quizzes? So quizzes will provide you what is your conceptual clarity or how much conceptual clarity you have. That's it, nothing else. Now here you will see very fairly simple questions, but if you are able to do good in these questions, this means you have really good conceptual clarity. There is no timer. You will see true false question, you will see match the pair question, you will see basic normal 4 objective questions, and so on. And here in quizzes section, because this is for testing your knowledge, I have kept things in a limited manner. Okay, so in some cases what happened, like there are more than like 30 questions in quizzes, but in my opinion the quizzes should be smaller. Otherwise you will have the hesitation to solve quizzes, right? So you should be able to finish quizzes in very short time, so that even if you have said 15 minutes, okay, let me appear for 1 quiz and that's it, you are solving quizzes with this method. But in some cases, definitely the quizzes are really big, like even 30 to 40 questions in 1 quiz. Then we have section test. Now just compare the quizzes with the section test. As I said, quizzes are concept level, Section tests are exam level, and you will see the depth of the question. So here we have exam level, and this is on first six chapter of quants. So this first section test is on six chapter of quants, starting from fundamentals of probability till hypothesis testing. And then you have the section test one on quants. Here, this section test is with timer. So here you can see there is timer running. Here we have 46 minutes to solve this. And you will see the questions, which are really detailed questions, really complicated questions, and very lengthy, which replicates the exam format. So in exam, you will get questions which are slightly lengthier. So this is about the quizzes and section test. Same thing is repeated for all the sections. So here you will see the regression. So in regression also you will get regressions chapter wise quizzes, that is topic wise quizzes, and then you will get the section test on the regression. Then we have full round of mock. Now first round of mock is full exam level mock, and this is my analysis. If you are able to score more than 55% in this mock, that is the mock which I am providing you here, you should be able to clear exam based on the previous data or the statistics we have. So your target should be 50 or 60% or above. And let's see. So first round of mock is subject wise. So here, instead of providing you the full round of mock, what happens at the time of appeal, when you are preparing for FRM Part 1 exam and say you have 1 month to go, it is highly likely that your all four subjects are not prepared. So you won't be appearing for mock test if the mock test covers all four subjects. So what I did, I provided the first round of mock. This is full mock only. You can appear for full mock back to back, just solve all four subjects. I'll say if you are prepared with say 3 subjects only, then just appear for 3 subjects, and you can appear for the 4th subject afterwards once you are done with the preparation. Now here also you will see the time. I'll just open it and I'll just show you. Okay, now here we have time and 20 questions. So in book 1 you will get 20 questions. So 20 questions are there. Similarly for book 2 you'll get 20 questions. 20 questions will be there in the mock also. And for FMP and VRM you will get 30 questions. Then we have mock round 2, and in mock round 2 this is full round. So all 100 questions in one go, and you have to solve it in 4 hours. So you get to, like, you will be able to practice in both the formats. So if you want to go with the subject wise, go for the round 1. And if you want to practice full, then go for the round 2. Then we have our infinity mocks, which is the best and unique product. You won't find it anywhere. And these are special theory questions. And here you will see just one mock. So book 2 quants, 20 questions. But remember, every time you click on this mock, this will generate a new question. So I have approximately like 200 to 300 questions database for each subject here. And these are purely theory questions. So you must have heard, like, there are a lot of theory questions in your examination. So here you will be able to practice your theory section. So simply click on this quants, infinity, and again we'll start quiz. And quiz is loading because it is randomly generating your quiz. And here you will see the timer, and it starts with the quizzes and quizzes and quizzes, and all are theory. Why theory? Because I want you to practice theory part also, right? Then we have similar thing for book 3, then book 4 and book 1 also, right? Now here, just for your basic information, once you start your mock, you won't be able to appear for any other mock unless the timer is over, okay? And again, you can appear, or you can generate 10 mock tests here, subject wise mock test, 10 to 15 mock tests. And if you want more, just ask me, I will provide you more, but 10 are more than enough for your preparation, right? So these are the infinity mocks. So what we covered here till this particular point. So first is our study materials. We saw the study notes, then we saw Fastrack notes, workbooks, and then we have topic-wise quizzes, section-wise test, infinity mock test, which are subject-wise special theory mock test, and then we have full round of mock test. So full round of mock test, section test, and infinity are exam level. Topic-wise quizzes are concept level, and study notes are best study notes, right? Now let's see what you will get with this. Now see here, first in the question part you will get a workbook, then you will get quizzes. So that is topic wise quizzes, section wise, full mock and infinity. Then you will get question bank for practice. So first practice question bank is exam level, which will be provided to you in the say PDF, either protected PDF or open PDF. Right now, we will decide it on later. So you will get practice question bank, which is exam level, where you will get 800 questions. And I'm working on new question bank, which is concept level question bank, where you will get 1500 questions. Now understand this. You don't need to practice this question bank for every topic. You have to practice, or you should practice this concept level question bank only if you are failing or you are performing really poorly in topic wise quizzes. When you appear for topic wise quiz, if you are performing really poorly, then go for the practice question bank, which is on conceptual level. Else, this is must. That is like, this is must. The practice exam level question bank is must. Quizzes are must. Workbook is optional. Not everyone has time to solve workbook. I totally get it. But if you solve it, trust me, workbook will provide you the best conceptual clarity for a specific chapter if you're solving workbook for that chapter. And in the notes part, you will get the study notes and the fast track notes. Also, if you're looking for, say, okay, so this is all about our this essential course part. And if you're looking for the video classes or mentorship sessions, then the both the options are available. Also, I will announce a Zoom live session very soon. So in this session, one, like the first thing, from where to buy it, I will provide you link in the description. Second, if you want to go for the video classes, then simply check the shop section on our website, and you will get all the information about the video classes, mentorship, and live classes. Okay, so these are the options available here. Yeah, so that's all from my side about or on this essential course, the question bank and the study notes part. So if you have any queries, definitely feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will help you out. Thank you everyone. Thank you for watching this video. And if you have again query, if you want to WhatsApp me, my WhatsApp number is scrolling somewhere here. No, also will be available on in the description. Okay. So thank you everyone. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.